Welcome. Talking about terminating and non-terminating fractions. Now, if, let's start with the terminating fractions. If I have this is an example of a terminating fraction. If I have this as a fraction 1 divided by 2, the answer there, the same thing as 0.5. This is an example of a terminating fraction because it stops at a point, it does not go further. If I have 3 divided by 5. This is another example of a terminating fraction, which is 0.6. Stops here, does not go further. And then let me give you another example of non-terminating fraction. Non-terminating fraction. So, 1 divided by 3 is a non-terminating fraction. It's 0.333 and so on. This is an example of a non-terminating fraction, and it gives us a decimal fraction. And this is also called recurring decimal. It's also called the recurring decimal. Or another example, if I have 2 divided by 3, this will give me 0.666 and so on. This is another recurring decimal or non-terminating decimal, non-terminating fraction. Thank you for listening.